night I keep the guala in my shorty bag.
Everybody have them pop down days, right? Welcome back to the vlog, guys. Today we're on the road as usual. It's Monday and it is my birthday weekend. I kind of feel excited now, a little bit, but give it till Friday and I mean that again. Can't bother. It's just so stressful, like, but I know, like months before my birthday I'm like super hyped, ready to go, and then like the closer I get, I'm sure you can relate, Jason, no bother with it. Let me know in the comments, can you relate? Like, you're super excited for your birthday and when like the time approaches, like you just can't bother anymore. It's stressful. It is. My vibe just broke me. It's like there's nothing to do for birthdays anymore. Like, just go to a restaurant, go eat and call it a day. That's lame to me. Hotels, like, I've never been a fan of hotels if I'm being honest. So I never wanted that. But the new thing is to basically, you know, fly out to DR, Mexico, Bali, somewhere, I don't know. So you can do it for my next year. You can go Maldives. I sure no. I went time go myself else. Probably me I got birthday vibes, but either way, guys. Up on the road. They really want me to get copyright, Jason. Coffee. So yeah, I'm gonna make this short and spicy. I'm taking you guys along with me today. I'm gonna do a little shopping for the birthday. I need shoes, I need bag, I need clothes, I need makeup, I need more than things, I need ear. Hey, it's stressful, isn't it? You see what I mean? Men don't have to do these things, you know, just buy a one outfit or one shoes and good to go. Like, why we have to so stress out? I have to set appointments to do like lashes, brows, nails, hair. I'm gonna set the appointment date and my birthday is Friday, so I'm gonna see the predicament. Either way, I drop the boys off to school and then I'm heading into trees to do a little shopping around the back. Say good morning, boys. That's your good face. Jamie, not saying good morning? Yes or no? Jamie, tripping that. It's okay if you don't want to say good morning. But yeah, journey with us today. Well, journey with me because I really me alone in the Gideon today. They're abandoning me, but you know, I can manage. So guys, I'll see you in a bit. I'm in Mother's. Trying to get some breakfast this morning. I don't really know if to eat nothing, but I have to get something in my system and hear the music. Catch me on the road for soca season. Morning, could I get a full house patty and an orange juice, please? Guys, I'm in the fabric store as usual. I could have come on the road and not come in the fabric store. Are you crazy? Are you crazy? So I grab two little things. I feel again. You know, like when I hear them say, with you, I can feel again. Since you know me.
Yeah, you're good.
Okay. Not here, but this thing got shot me. I was a lonely soul, but that's the only. But that's the only. No, I'm gonna do a little shopping. Like, not much, nothing serious, as we say. I need like fits for the birthday, so next time you see me, I'll be in one of them stores looking at shoes. So come along with me.
Up the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing twisty slides in both ears. Dice falling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight.
I guess because of all of this, and my foot don't go all the way, but this is cute. This is really nice. I like it. It's 42 if it's pointy. Alright. Oops, something.
Fucking night, I keep the guala in my shorty bag.
How big is the inside? Let me see the inside. How big is it? Where can I hold? Can I hold my phone? Guys, so currently I found a shoe and this is scam bow tie business. So here, currently I am in Cocktail Plaza. I found a cute shoe. But as usual, car machine now works, so look like I have to leave and get some cash and come back. I did find a cute purse. I think I showed you guys. So cute, so neat. Can't hold my phone, but I guess it can serve some kind of purpose. So yeah, I'm just gonna run and get some cash and come back. Excuse me. So yeah, that's the crew. Can't bother running up and down though. I'm not about that life, but I'm tired and I'm hungry again. I'm gonna just eat. So yeah, go get the cash, come back, get the shoes, the makeup store moved, so I'm gonna go back all the way up top. I'm stressed out. I'm stressed. Or whatever. Want it in the line? If anything, I might have to adjust it. Got the shirt for Jason. Oh my god, I'm looking so busted in the streets. Like if you see me in the streets looking like this, just act like I don't know me, okay? Hi. No, I really don't. I run in late actually. Sorry about that. So yeah, I got everything I needed. Let me do that. I got everything I needed ish. And all when I was buying the shirt, the lady was kind of like being a bit cheeky. I don't know if it was intentional. So I was in there for a little while, like looking through, because I literally couldn't decide. Right? Finally found a shirt. It was basically the most expensive shirt in the store. Overpriced if you ask me, but it looked nice and the quality nice. And I've seen other shirts that I could have purchased, but them never looked so good. The shirt, them theme quality was so poor. So I chose a shirt and I was like, this is the shirt I want. And she's like, the price is X amount. And I'm like, okay, this is the shirt I want. Like, why you gonna tell me the price? I'm saying, see the price on the tag. What you know about me? I trouble pop down in the apple tree. Why she come and tell me the price? This one. I just paid for it and I came out. Never again. But the shirt look good. So we move, guys. I'm going home. I'm tired. I'm gonna get something to eat. And then I'm gonna head home. So I'll catch you when I catch you. To the makeup store to get some press powder and thing. I don't have any press powder. The boys broke it, as you know. So I'm looking at another one now. So they said these are the concealers. The elf. No. I'm always just using. You want the elf or you want the elf? I don't even know. Which one is better? Milani is better. Okay. Options for concealer. So I'm going to protect the Milani, but I don't know about the Milani. I came here looking for the Tarte Shape Tape. I have like Juvia's and something here, but I'm going to reach them on level 0. It tells me this is where I'm at. Okay? This is where I'm at. I'm done with the LA Girl Pro Concealer now. Is it my step up in the line?
Test out this one.
I want to test.
This is what the 150 looks like. Let me show you. This one again, 160, right? 150.
You gave me 150, but this is the 160.
And this is 150.
This is 150.
This is the one that you have now. Is that okay?
Yeah, it looks okay. Yeah, man, this one looks fine.
Alright.
This powder you say is okay as well, right?
The warm?
Yeah.
Yeah, warm is
Warm is
fine.
fine. Alright, thank you. So I'm using these two stuff for now. days later. I'm just get a chance to come back because I'm going on the road again. So I'm continuing my little, you know, maintenance spree. So I brought you guys shopping with me last week, and this week will be like mainly prepping myself. So I'm gonna get some lashes, maybe do my brows. Really and truly I don't really have brows, but from time to time I like ask them to either tint it or I don't know, just sharpen it up for me. So that's what I'm doing today. I also want to go and get my nails done because, as I mentioned like a couple vlogs ago, I'm not really that girl when it comes to like maintenance and stuff like that. If I do, it has to be like a special occasion. So my birthday is coming up, so that's why a girl is going all out. Yeah. I literally just got my wig, so I just want to draw on wig, but I got my real wig and I'm going to install that on Saturday. So a lot of festivities will be going on Saturday. I'm going out to a restaurant and I'm gonna take you guys along with me, duh. So yeah, just journey with me today. I'm not a lash girl enough. These are I always go for classic, but these are nice. What's up? I must start to the lash thing serious. You can look at brighten up my face. Everybody just feels so popped on, girl. And my birthday is coming up, so I'm sorry. Well, I'll fix up myself tomorrow. Let's see if we can find a body and spin can shave up my eyebrow for me. Go back there now. Not nail tech. So these are the lashes. I love, I love them. Big up my new, let me not say new, my carriage trees. I'm definitely coming back to her. So it's T.I. Beauty, right? Mm-hmm. You can check them out on IG. Guys, look on the lash show. You know my lash show? They're lashing. Very beauty. Tired and pain up. Yeah, girl, I need to cut my back. Struggling. How long have we been at it? 2 hours? 10. So I'm not to get for sleep. Oh, well, thank you again. Okay, guys, so just finished with the lashes. And now I'm heading to Spain. This is when I like how the sun here look. But yeah, guys, just finished with the lashes. Love them. Now I run to Spain, run go to the nail tech. Hopefully she can sell me out and we can go back home. So I'll catch you when I catch you. Hey guys, unbox my birthday wig with me. So yeah, girl is not a beauty influencer or wig influencer, but wait on it guys, wait on it. So for my 38th, I decided to go all out. Yeah girl, I tried something new. This is a blonde wig. It's actually a 12-inch 613 lace frontal from Everything Women Love Boutique on Instagram. Yeah, I'm just gonna plug them because listen, the hair nice bad. So yeah, first thing, I took out the hair. It came in this nice little cute packaging. There was also a wig cap in there, must have. They never give me no comb and a spool and them something, but that's fine, we have those. There was also a cute little thank you note in there, as well as a how to care for your wig. Guys, let me tell you, this hair was so soft and lush. Let's look at this volume. I love how much body it had, and for a 12-inch wig it was pretty long. I'm pretty sure it's more than 12 inches. So I'm checking out the lace here, and it looks kind of pre-plucked. This lace, I'm not sure what kind of lace it is. So I'm gonna put my on like me a wig influencer, but listen, it might need to be bleached or put some powder in it, whatever the case may be. Anyways guys, love the wig. Stay tuned to see me install this for my birthday. It's gonna be a vibe.